guys, what's up? It's literally my first video of my new channel. Firstly, I'm going to post this to my original channel, my main channel. Then I'll post it to my vlog channel. Anyways, I earlier bought this candy called Warhead Super Sour Spray Candy. So let's test it out. I saw a lot of videos saying super sour, especially with some other candies. Yeah, you hear that? So let's go. I hope it's not that sour.
Si Odette din kasi nagle-lemon di ba? Sa umaga.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Ano?
Dito o dito?
So sour. So sour.
Dito. Ano ko na.
Of course, you can have someone did a no reaction. Let's see if we can beat it. Man. Wait, let's check what's inside.
Kunin mo yung cellphone ni Mami. Ano?
No, Gigi kasi mo.
Opo.
I wonder what's inside. Actually, never mind. We'll just spill over. Let's try to do it with no reaction. Yeah. Well, it is possible. Let's try it with full power. So sour, guys. Well, kinda did it. It is very, very sour.
Bakit?
Oh, see ya.
Wala pa.
See you guys in the next video.
Oo.
Bye. Bloopers.
Kaya ka lumamig na.
So today, how did I explain this, man? What the hell? So, welcome back for another video. It's the Ravel game. Oh my gosh. This is the chair bit. I'm the chair. Bro. So, this time we will be testing out this
Hindi.
Warhead super sour spray. Dude, this literally says
Meron?
super.
Kasi nakabukas din yung
Take a look, bro. It's a super, not super. Okay. So, let's try it out.
Oo.
It's not working. Not working, It's not working, mate.
Hindi naman nagsabi. Meron ba
Ay,
internet?
hindi. Wala.
Bruh.
Ayan, ayaw niya pag,
So sour.
pinatay ko yung data ko hindi, kasi
Bro.
nga
So sour.
I-restart mo nga, try mo.
But there's
Ayaw niya pag walang
There's what?
data ko pala yung gumagana, kaya
I didn't expect
ano,
that.
tinatawagan ako. Yung drive-thru sa
sa phone mo.
Take.
Wala
I
akong,
guess
no internet
I need to
connection.
restart again, bro. So yeah. See you guys.
Wala nga
It's not supposed to do that. Yeah. By the way, this is good for other sprays. Oh, sprays. I mean candy. Yeah. Let's try to do this with no reaction. First thing. Oh. Okay. This is not working, bro. Oh. That's definitely a reaction. Let's do take two. Take two. This, I don't know, spray
Yung
Warhead candy. I wasn't supposed to do that, man. What the hell? Take two again.
Number ang masendan ko.
Um,
Mas maigi na yung ano talaga.
Try to do this. No reaction, guys.
Baka hindi rin ako pinipapa. Wala kang dami.
Hindi, may data siya eh.
Oh man, it's gonna be so sour.
Ano
I
mo
just
lang
know,
pa,
bro.
open
I
mo
just,
yung data mo.
bro. I just know it when
May
I
load ka pa
sprayed it.
naman eh, opo.
I'm so scared,
Mobile data
man.
mo, yung load.
Hindi kasi.
Let's do take 3. Take 3. Well, yeah, let's do it. Hope I can do it. Oh man, the end got me, bro. Bro, are you kidding me? Do this with full power. No reaction. Let's see. I'm about to cry. Excuse me. And that was sour. 2. Oh my gosh, I almost ate that. Bruh.